blue cardigan. Spun from dandelion fluff and sheep's wool, wearing it feels exactly like holding a soft cloud. This moon button functions as a living seal. When Nori fastens it, the fuzzy, sleep-inducing warmth is locked inside the fabric, shielded from the mite. Until tonight, when Nori reaches up to secure the collar, his little claws find something wrong.